So hello guys, today I will show you how to change one page of a document into a portrait and other into a landscape so that you don't have to use different documents to use the same continuity. That is, if I just want to change this page into a portrait while this is already a portrait, but I want this page because there is a table here and I feel that this table should extend more and should maybe go into the landscape part. So what people typically do is they come here and just change it to layout, and the layout you can come in and change the orientation to landscape. What happens now is when you change it to landscape, every other page also changes to landscape. Now that's a problem, but we have a solution. Solution is easy. So what will we do is just we'll go back to portrait mode right here. Now I want this table to be on the next page because I would like all the tables to be on the same page in the landscape mode. So what I will do is I will just come here from this home. You can come into the layout tab, and in the layout tab there is a break option. Click it. After it there is an option called section break, and in this section break there is an option next page. Just click the next page part. Now you've got a separate section. Table is now I'll just want this table to be in the same page, so I'll try and do this. So table's in the same page. Now after this what I can do is I'll just come back right here. Okay, so the table's on the same page. I have got a space right here. So what I will do is I will just come in here, press the break again, and press continuous section break. Now what happens is, if I just want to change this page now, I will come into the orientation tab and click and change into landscape, and voila, the tables into the landscape part. However, now this document on this right here, this is still in portrait. So pretty much you can see now that my documents, one is in portrait, one page is in portrait, other is in landscape, then portrait again. Now if you want to adjust this table into the document, just click these four arrows and right click and auto-fit to window. Similarly in here, right click auto-fit to window. So that about does it, guys. So thank you guys, and please subscribe for more videos just like these.